All right, my fellow investors, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're going to be going over a little update to the Fundrise account. All right, so currently the account's sitting at $3,928 with $648 coming off of gains. All right, so this is going to be a short little video because I just want to provide you an update on the Q3 dividends. So Q3 dividends are in. I'll go ahead and show you those. So they already got reinvested. So $37.92. All right, so you may say, oh, that's an insignificant amount, but yeah, look how we started. We started with $500 for the initial portfolio, kept on depositing $100 per month. That got us for the first dividend $7.68. And look how you can see here, it progressively kept on increasing from then. Look at all those dividends. And remember, I reinvested them so that I could compound the account even faster with the consistent $100 per month plus the dividend reinvestment. All right, so as you can see here, progressively kept on increasing, and now we're sitting at $37.92, guys. So in just one quarter, I've gotten what the bank would give me in about 3 years, having the same amount of money in the bank. All right, tell me you won't take those gains, guys. So yeah, if you guys have been following me on my channel, I've been showing you how we can grow small accounts into something large so that eventually we're able to create financial freedom. So if you guys like this content and want to follow me on my journey to create financial freedom for myself and for you guys, go ahead and hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, that we can share information with as many investors as possible and help you and many other investors create financial freedom so that they never have to worry about money again. All right, guys, I'll catch you on the next video. Stay tuned for updates on my other accounts. So my Robinhood account, my M1 Finance account, I'll be providing those pretty soon. All right, I'll see you later.